This new AI technology can perform surgeries with robotic arms with more precision than human hands. This is actually insane. In today's video, we are going to see how this new surgical system works, and what makes it so accurate that it could replace surgeons in the future. Surgeons have been using robotic surgery systems for many years now. These systems allow surgeons to make very small incisions and use specialized instruments to operate on a patient with great precision. However, these systems require a lot of training to use properly and even the best. Surgeons in the world can only do so much before they need to stop and let the robots take over. Recently, scientists have developed a robotic surgery system that can perform certain types of surgeries better than any human surgeon. And the reason why is pretty simple. Because this robot doesn't get tired or distracted like we do. The new AI-powered system was tested on a variety of different tasks, such as suturing, which is the process of closing up wounds with stitches, as well as knot tying and other minimally invasive procedures. In all cases, the robot was able to complete the task faster and more accurately than any human surgeon. It also made fewer mistakes than even the most experienced surgeons. So what exactly makes this possible? Well, it all has to do with artificial intelligence. The robotic surgery system is powered by a deep learning algorithm that allows it to learn from its own experience and improve over time. This means that the robot can perform surgeries faster and more accurately than human surgeons, who do have the benefit of AI assistance. Not only that, but this system also has built-in safety features that prevent it from causing harm to patients. For example, if a surgeon makes a mistake while operating the robot, the system will automatically stop and alert the surgeon. There are a few reasons why this is a big deal. First of all, it means that surgeries can be performed more quickly and with greater accuracy, which leads to better outcomes for patients. Secondly, it could potentially free up human surgeons to focus on more complex cases, while the robots handle the simpler ones. Finally, it could help to reduce the number of medical errors caused by human factors, such as fatigue or distraction. It's important to note that this isn't the first time that AI has been used in surgery. In fact, AI-powered surgical robots have been in development for several years now. However, this new system is the first to be able to perform certain types of surgeries better than human surgeons. So what does this mean for the future of surgery? Will robots eventually replace surgeons altogether? That remains to be seen. But one thing is for sure. AI is playing an increasingly important role in the operating room, and it's likely that this trend will continue in the future. This new technology was recently presented at the International Conference on Robotics and Automation in Philadelphia, USA. During the conference, scientists from all over the world showcased their latest research and findings in the field of robotics. They presented everything from self-driving cars to prosthetic limbs that can restore movement to amputees. However, it was the presentation on the robotic surgery system that really stood out among the rest. The scientists behind the project believe that their work could revolutionize the way surgery is performed. They envision a future where AI-powered robots work alongside human surgeons to improve patient outcomes and save lives. The team is currently working on getting the technology ready for clinical trials, and they hope to see it used in hospitals within the next 5 years. As you can imagine, there is a lot of excitement surrounding this new technology. The potential benefits are just too good to pass up. Imagine a world where surgeries are performed faster and with greater accuracy, leading to shorter hospital stays and better outcomes for patients. It's not just science fiction anymore. It's within reach. But it's not just the surgeons who are excited about this technology. Patients are also eager to see it implemented. After all, who would want to have surgery performed by a robot that can make incisions with greater precision than even the most skilled surgeon? It's not surprising that this technology has generated so much buzz. It's truly a game changer in the world of medicine. So what exactly makes this new system so precise? Well, it all boils down to the unique design of the surgical instruments. Unlike traditional surgical instruments, which are typically blunt, the new instruments are extremely sharp. This allows them to make very small incisions with great precision. In addition, the instruments are also flexible, which allows them to reach areas that are difficult to access using traditional techniques. This flexibility also helps to reduce tissue damage, leading to faster healing times for patients. The benefits of using these sharp and flexible instruments are numerous. For example, in minimally invasive procedures such as laparoscopy, the small incisions and precise movements allow for better visualization of the surgical site. This makes it easier for surgeons to identify and remove diseased tissue, while minimizing damage to surrounding healthy tissue. Not only does this lead to better outcomes for patients, but it also reduces the risk of complications such as infection and bleeding. But it's not just the precision of the instruments that makes this new system so effective. The AI-powered control system is also a major game changer. As we mentioned earlier, the system uses a deep learning algorithm that allows it to learn from its own experience and improve over time. This means that the robot can perform surgeries faster and more accurately than human surgeons, who don't have the benefit of AI assistance. In addition, the AI system is also able to detect abnormalities, such as tumors, with greater accuracy than human surgeons. This is because the system is not limited by the same visual constraints that humans are. It can analyze images and data much faster and more accurately, allowing it to identify abnormalities that may not be visible to the human eye. The implications of this are huge. Early detection of abnormalities such as tumors is crucial for successful treatment. By using a robot with an AI-powered control system, surgeons can identify abnormalities earlier and more accurately, leading to better outcomes for patients. The new robotic surgery system is not just a futuristic fantasy. It's a reality that is rapidly approaching us. In fact, the system has already been successfully tested on a variety of different tasks, such as suturing and knot tying. And the results are impressive. The robot was able to complete these tasks faster and more accurately than human surgeons. And it also made fewer mistakes. One of the key advantages of the new system is its ability to learn from its own experience. This means that the robot is constantly improving and becoming more efficient. In contrast, human surgeons are prone to fatigue and distraction, which can lead to mistakes. The new system eliminates these human factors, resulting in safer and more accurate surgeries. But some people might be concerned that the new technology could eventually replace human surgeons altogether. However, this is unlikely to happen anytime soon. The new system is designed to assist human surgeons, not replace them. In fact, the developers of the system believe that it could potentially free up human surgeons to focus on more complex cases, while the robots handle the simpler ones. Overall, the future of surgery looks exciting with the development of new technologies, such as the robotic surgery system. While it's unlikely that robots will replace surgeons anytime soon, AI is set to play an increasingly important role in the operating room. And that's a big part of why this tech could revolutionize the way surgery is performed. So if you're a patient, you can look forward to better outcomes and faster recovery times. If you're a surgeon, you can look forward to having a new tool to help you save lives. Either way, it's hard not to be excited about the potential of this new technology. This new technology was presented at a major conference where it caught the attention of some of the biggest names in the industry. Many experts believe that this new system could be a major breakthrough in the field of robotics. Some have even gone as far as to say that it could be the future of surgery. For example, Dr. O'Leary, a renowned surgeon and professor at a major medical school, had this to say about the new technology. "I think this is a really exciting development. The ability to have a robot that can perform certain tasks better than a human surgeon is really impressive. It could potentially change the way surgery is performed." Another expert, Mr. William, a leading figure in the field of robotics, had this to say. "This new technology shows the incredible potential of AI-powered robots. It's not just the precision of the movements, but also the ability to learn and improve over time that makes this so special. I can't wait to see what the future brings to this field." Clearly, the new technology has impressed some of the brightest minds in the industry. The future of this technology is bright, and it will be interesting to see how it develops in the coming years. One thing is for sure, though, this new technology has the potential to change the world of surgery forever. What do you think of this new technology? Do you think that it could eventually replace human surgeons altogether? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear your opinion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.